In Canada, Filipinos are hoping to be the next top music star. Mariton Pacheco has that and more stories. Ano pang balita dyan sa Canada, Mariton?
Jel, mga kapamilya, Pinoys are known to love singing at kahit nasa ibang bansa na sila, dala pa rin nila ang hilig sa pagkanta. Pinoy singing contests are popular all over Canada, and aside from being a venue to showcase talent, some say it's also become a way to connect to the country they've left behind. The PNT Singing Idol is now on its third year in Vancouver. While the contest name may sound like a spin-off from the famous talent search in the US, the format is not. Named after one of the local papers here, PNT Singing Idol hops from city to city in the greater Vancouver area to tap young Pinoy talents willing to belt it out in front of a busy mall's large crowd. 5-year-old James Inocencio was one of them. His father said James wanted to try singing on stage, and unlike many kids born and raised here, James speaks fluent Filipino. His parents say it's because of his love for OPM.
Sino mga idol mo na lang?
Sino nga? Michael?
Jackson.
Tapos sino pa? Si Ray?
Valera.
Tapos sino pa? Si Ariel?
Rivera. Si Nonay Zuniga din.
Doon nila, ma-maintain yung pagsasalita ng Tagalog. At I think that's one thing.
10-year-old Andrea Legaspi, meantime, is joining the contest for the third time after coming in second place during the previous years. Andrea says it's really just because she loves singing and she'll jump at every opportunity to show it. With Filipino singing sensations Cherise and Arnel Pineda making waves now, Andrea believes singing is part of being Pinoy.
It shows that Filipinos are very strong and they are very talented.
The PNT Singing Idol will have its grand finals in the last quarter of the year, where the big winner gets to win a round-trip ticket to the Philippines. Mga kapamilya, yan ang balita sa Canada. I'm Mariton Pacheco. Jel?
Ako po si Jiel Santos Relos. Hanggang bukas.